Hello, good morning. Ayun. Dito kami sa France, guys. ID Logistics. Iragni. Loading kami ngayon. Yan, good morning. 7:46 in the morning. Yan. Double driver kami. Yung kasama ko si Romy. Yan. Ito yung unit namin. Sa ngayon, 2 truck pa lang dito. Alas 12 pang loading namin. Aga kami dumating, alas 7. Pero yung loading time namin pala, alas 12 pa. Kaya reporting muna sa office, inform na 12 o'clock pa yung aming loading for this day. Yan. Yan, ikot-ikot muna. Ito, yan. Yan guys. Ito yung unit namin. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and God bless. God bless you guys.